Welcome to a brief tour of the research labs in the synthetic chemistry building of the School of Chemistry at the University of Bristol. The School of Chemistry has one main entrance for undergraduates and postgraduates. Identity must be shown. The synthetic chemistry building is reached through the undergraduate lounge on level 2. The School of Chemistry is built on a hill, so the main entrance is also at level 2. To get into the synthetic chemistry building, or SCB as it's called, you need to pass through an access control door situated in the undergraduate lounge. As we pass through the security doors, we enter the first corridor, off which there are rooms and offices for computational chemistry. This is one of the many research areas in the School of Chemistry. At Bristol there are over 200 postgraduate researchers, most of which are PhD students, with some master's degree students doing a one-year course. There are roughly 100 postdoctoral chemists, those that already have PhDs, also carrying out research. There are roughly 50 academic members of staff in the department. The chemistry research mainly involved in making molecules, whether they're inorganic, organic, or those that lie in between, are made in the synthetic chemistry building. There are other research labs spread throughout the rest of chemistry, some of which also synthesize chemicals. Some research does not involve making chemicals, but is involved in their measurement. For example, we have research in atmospheric chemistry and in the use of lasers in chemical identification and measurement. We also have work on aerosol chemistry, to name but a few. The one that we're visiting is on the 3rd floor. There are lifts for those that need them. There are 2 corridors on each floor in the SCB, a clean corridor through which access into the laboratories is made through office space, and in the service corridor at the back of the building for the movement of chemicals and equipment. General access analytical laboratories such as mass spectrometry, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, electron microscopy, etc. are not found in the SCB. A research group is headed up by an academic supervisor who may have one or more laboratories like this. This laboratory has 12 fume cupboards for 12 research chemists. Each chemist has his or her own fume hood and access to the laboratories 24/7 through most of the days of the year. There are very few days in a normal year where access to the laboratories is forbidden. The limitation is that practical work can only be engaged with when someone else in the laboratory that understands the experiment being undertaken is present. The office space for the postgraduates and postdoctoral chemists is a clean area, so no chemicals are allowed. Therefore, food can be eaten here if absolutely necessary. Each research lab has some specialist equipment in it depending on the type of chemistry they're doing. Since research projects are unique, the way each fume cupboard is set up is also unique. We hope you've enjoyed this brief tour. Please see videos of tours of the main chemistry building, tours of the analytical laboratories such as NMR, X-ray diffraction, electron microscopy, etc. in other videos. Thank you for watching.